Hello, hello, hello guys. Ang bata kay Dirty. Siyempre yung aking camera dry. So, hello, hello, hello guys. Hello guys. Hello ka. Kain mo lang ang kain. Wala talaga akong kain. Ito. We're heading for Ethan genetic genetic testing for us there. They're gonna get us our blood. So, see you later, guys. We're here.
Get room for a walk.
We're here na, guys. Here tayo ng elevator.
First.
Huh?
What's that bridge is? Level 2?
Huh?
Payday Bridge Lobby. We're gonna go down that. What level are we on? 30? Yeah, we're gonna go down 2. One below us.
We're going down?
Yeah, go 2. 2's crosswalk.
Ah. Ethan. Ethan. Oh, look at this one here. Look at that.
They always got
A lot of rock. They're working.
UAV choked off. Oh, here it is, man. Oh, no. Fun?
It's Ethan.
Since 1938. Hey, Chip. No, Mom don't need you.
No.
Here, you want to
No,
take
no,
a
no,
chip?
no.
You want to take a chip? I'll open them for you. Now you don't want them, do you? Huh?
Go, Ethan. Here you go. Oh, it's hot here now.
Yeah, that's a toast. That's a toast. We'll get an elevator.
Ayan. Ethan. Go.
Come on.
Go, Daddy.
Hey,
Follow, Daddy.
hey, come on. Come on.
Let's go. Tapos na kami, guys. So, yung result is aabutin siya na 1 month to 3 months. Hello, guys.
What? What?
Hindi. Me, I'm trying to vlog what I get from the Asian store. So, we're home na, guys. And dumaan kami sa Asian store. And then, ito yung binili namin. Kunti lang. Nahiya akong mag-vlog. Andito yung mister. Ayan. Sweet corn. Because last time, Sophia sweet corn, I ate it. And Sophia get mad at me. She get upset.
Okay.
Yeah.
What? You didn't have it anyway. Why you get mad?
She get upset with me. She said, I am saving it so I can take it to school. That's why I bought it
Show it
now.
off to the kids, I guess, huh?
Sardines. 3 sardines and tuna.
How many calories in a glass of sweet
Munti lang
tea
binili ko, guys.
using monk
What?
fruit?
Lollipop for Ethan.
Fruit.
Then, Tuwanan sa tiya. Gusto nila to. Lalo na malamig. So, kailangan may sabaw. Pansit something. Then, ito yung talagang pinupunta ko doon. Coffee ko.
Because how many calories in a glass of tea with mustard in it?
Yeah.
Huh? 1 to 4 calories.
Really?
Yeah, that's all.
Then I buy a frozen fish. Tag $10. Ay, hindi ko guys. Sige tayo. So, hello guys. So, nag-record ako kanina. Andi na off. Dahil naglubat na pala tong aking Naglubat na pala tong aking mic. Yung isa ba? Oh, naglubat na siya. Kailangan ko siya i-charge. So, hello guys. So, kahapon nga pala is, di ba, hindi ko natapos yung aking vlog kahapon. And then, yeah. So, regarding sa genetic testing ni Ethan. And then, yeah. Akala ko sa dugo siya kunin, pero swab lang. Sa swab test lang pala. So, swab test lang. So, dito lang siya kinuha sa bibig. So, ayun na nga siya. And then, yung result guys, isaabot siya ng 1 month to 3 months. So, medyo mahaba dahil sabi ng doon is malaking pagsusuri. Malaking pagsusuri daw. So, yeah. So, yung genetic testing is parang lang siya, parang malalaman lang namin kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit may autism si Ethan. Kung baka may autism kami guys. Oh. So, sabi ng therapist doon ni Ethan is baka meron daw mga like 20%, 10% sa amin, ganun ba? Kasi nga, 'di ba, sabi nila na yung autism is genetic. Pero wala naman. Or baka dahil may edad na kami, may edad na si Mister. So, lalo na si Mister. So, baka ganun ba? So, di ba, magtanong naman talaga yan sila na meron bang ganun sa family, ganun. Sabi ko, wala naman. Yung mga anak ko, okay naman, normal naman. So, yun. So, kaya siguro ganun. So, sabi din doon na, i-make sure din nila na yung health insurance ni Ethan is covered siya yung i-shoulder nila yung mga bayad, payment. Kasi nga, ang laki ng guys, mga $3,000 something. Ma-off talaga yung So, malaman natin kung ano yung kadahilanan, kung ano yung cause. So, yung talaga din guys, yung suggestion lang naman yan ng therapist ni Ethan sa EBE therapy. So, sinunod lang din namin. Parang ginawa talaga namin lahat ba kung ano makatulong kay Ethan, kung ano para ba. Pero sabi ni Mr. hindi. Yung genetic test is hindi naman makakaano sa kanya na magiging okay siya. Is yun lang. Para kung malaman lang siguro kung ano mga kadahilanan, ganun. Medyo talaga siya guys. Parang mahirap. So, yan lang siguro sa ngayon yung ating vlog, guys, para matapos ko lang yung genetic testing ni Ethan. Then, update na lang din ako kung ano ang mangyayari. So, i-try kasi din namin yung leucovorin na yung sinabi ni Trump. So, pero kailangan namin dadaan ng testing, parang practice, tama ba? So, yun. So, para at least siguro, at least makapagsalita man lang yung anak namin, no? Para hindi kami masyadong nahihirapan dahil, nakaka-stress din. So, ako yung masyadong stress. Si Mr. Stress lang siya sa paghahanap ng pera. So, ako yung stress sa pag-aalaga ng aking anak na wala akong masyadong tulog sa gabi. At walang masyadong pahinga. Diba? So, nakapagpahinga lang naman ako, guys. Pag nandun na si Ethan sa kanyang therapist, so 7 hours a day, din minsan wala siya sa school dahil yung kanyang therapist niya doon is kulang ng tao. So, sana, mag-therapist na lang tayo. So, ayun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.